Hey, hi, and namaste, friends. I hope all of you are doing good and prospering in life. I'm also doing good in my life. My name is Avinav Datta, but I was not doing good a few months back. The reason is because of some stupid decisions, financial decisions, I would say. I had taken quite a few loans from few banks like ICICI, Kotak, Bajaj Finance, and certain NBFCs as well. And when the time came for consecutive EMIs to be paid, I was faltering on EMIs. I was not able to manage the money, the total amount of money, which resulted in a total of around 50 to 60,000 a month to pay back. Because of various reasons, my salary was not that high. Even though I don't understand, like after looking into the salary structure, why would the bank and NBFCs agree to give me those loans when I had already produced all the details, like what are the existing loans I have taken, what other existing credit cards are there. So I was faltering on the EMIs of loan and credit cards, and I was in a lot of panic because of threatening calls and visits from their representatives, so-called representatives, because as I understand, the banks and NBFCs were not sending their own representatives, rather a third party, which are collection agencies. Some of you might know how they operate. They threaten you, they abuse you, and a lot of things. So finally, I decided no, this is not how I'm gonna continue, hiding or, pleading with them to spare me. I will pay when I'm little bit financially stable and all that. So I did a little bit of a Google search and also Just Dial search, and from there I got the address and number of Sync Consultancy. Uh, so I contacted them. I called them up. I spoke with their proprietor, Mr. Pappu Singh, and he told me the first assuring word that came from him was, "Do not worry, Mr. Datta. Please come and visit us, and we can discuss, and then we will help you out." So naturally, I went to them, and then the magic started. That's what I would like to say. Mr. Pappu Singh, first of all, he heard me totally, like what is my concern, what kind of situation I am going through, and everything. And then he assured me that, Mr. Datta, we will help you emotionally, we will help you legally, whichever way is required. And he took over my case. He got all the details from me, like what amount of money I have taken loan or how much of the credit card I have used, and he proceeded with preparing papers for sending into all the banks and NBFCs, stating that this my client Avinava Datta will pay you out eventually, but currently he is not in such a financial situation where he can do the payment, so he needs some time. Later on, the visits obviously did not stop from those collection agencies, but Papu Singh ji and Vijay Shaw ji, I must also mention his name, he was also very helpful. He, I think, is an employee of Mr. Papu Singh's enterprise, that is Singh Consultancy. They told me that do not worry, if anybody comes to visit you or call you, you can straight away refer them to us. We will handle the case for you. So they started coming, the collection agencies. Now, but this time I was prepared. I was not afraid of them. And I all started saying the same things that they taught me, that you would say, whatever is truth, of course, that you are not financially stable right now, you cannot pay right now. You will eventually pay or settle the debts and credit card debts as well. But you need some time for that. Whenever you will have money, you will contact them. If they have to have if they have to have further uh, communication, then contact Mr. Pappu Singh, and this is his number. So this way I started doing it, and I saw the difference. Whenever I came and gave them the rebuttal of Mr. Pappu Singh's number and everything, they were very hesitant to speak with him. It is as if like they are scared of him rather scaring me. Now they started pestering me, saying, "Why are you going through Mr. Pappu Singh's agency? Why did you not speak to us directly? Why did you not say this to us so that you, whenever you can settle, you will settle later on?" So I said, previously you were threatening me as if you would beat me, you would kill me, you would harm my family, but now your tone is completely changed. So this is the effect of Mr. Pappu Singh, and I can tell you, I have started my settlement process also. So Mr. Pappu Singh has other contacts as well who is looking after my settlement. I have started settling two of my credit cards, mostly Kotak and American Express, and this is the last month that I'll be paying the settlement amount for Kotak, and next month will be my settlement process ending for American Express, and I will get rid of these two debts finally. So I will, my financial situation has also improved a little bit. I'm in a new job with a higher salary, so I can think of settling right now, and the process is going along very well. So now also collection agencies come from different bank and they say, please please deal with us directly. Why involve Pappu Singh? So that itself is a proof that how Mr. Pappu Singh is so brilliant in this field of work, and why banks are, afraid of him to communicate. Rather, they would try to communicate with the client directly, because they can coax the client, they can threaten the client and anything, and the client doesn't know that much, right? Like what they can do. They will threaten you with legal suits, this and that, but there are certain limitations what they can also do. There are certain rules and things in place by government of India, like they cannot threaten and all that, but they generally do not follow these things until unless you get a help of this agency like Singh Consultancy. So friends, if any of you are in any kind of financial crunch situations and you are being threatened, or you are handled by the banks and NBFCs in the same way that I have been before, do not hesitate. Contact Singh Consultancy. You will get their address in Google. They are located in Taliganj and also in Howrah, I guess. You will get their exact address from there. Call them up and visit them. Be truthful. Whatever you are facing in your situation, like how much money you owe, which banks and all that, do not be hesitant. Do not shy away. Be truthful, and you will definitely get the help from them. Thank you, guys.